Hey everyone, ready to make your vegan meal prep easy and fun? I'm here to guide you through planning, prepping and cooking delicious plant-based meals for the entire week. First, let's tackle some common vegan myths. Ever heard that vegans don't get enough protein? Let's bust that myth right now. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu and quinoa are packed with protein. Another myth? Vegan diets are boring. Trust me, with the right recipes, you'll never miss out on flavor. Now, on to meal prep. Start by planning your meals. Think about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Write down a list of ingredients and hit the grocery store. Pro tip: buy in bulk to save money and reduce waste. Let's move to the kitchen. For breakfast, try overnight oats. Mix oats, plant milk, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar. It's nutritious and ready to grab in the morning. Lunch? How about a quinoa salad bowl? Cook quinoa, then add mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and a tangy lemon dressing. It's fresh, filling, and perfect for midday energy. Dinner can be as simple as a veggie stir-fry. Saute your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, with some tofu or tempeh and a splash of soy sauce. Serve over brown rice or noodles. Don't forget snacks. Hummus and veggie sticks, mixed nuts or fruit are all great options. So there you have it, easy, tasty and nutritious vegan meal prep that'll keep you fueled all week long. Give these recipes a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Happy prepping!